Chandelier plant, or mother of millions, is a succulent plant native to Madagascar. This plant has long, thin leaves that hang down from the stem like a chandelier. Transplanting mother of millions young plants can be relatively easy. By following these simple steps, you will have many new plants to add a great addition to your succulent collection. When the plantlets of your mother millions has developed a root system, you can transfer them to a terracotta pot filled with cactus mix or well-drained potting soil. Mother of millions plants are typically potted in 2-inch pots, and then moved up to 4-inch pots when they have outgrown their previous home. These plants don't get too large, so they don't need to be moved up to larger pots very often. After transplanting the new plants, water lightly and place the plants in a location where it will receive bright light, but not direct sunlight. Mother of millions succulent is easy to care for, and requires little maintenance. It is a perfect plant for those who are new to growing succulents, as generally, this plant is a low-maintenance succulent. Happy organic gardening!